everybody, and welcome to my setup tour for 2020. This is where I keep my chameleon markers and Copic markers. This mug I have fine liners that include microns, Faber Castell, Molskine, and Pinto Touch. In this drawer I keep my pencils, colored pencils, and erasers. This is where I keep all of my bigger drawings that I can't really store in a little tub. I also keep my sketchbook and my paper here too. In this drawer I keep all of my canvases. This is where I keep my PRISMACOLor markers as well as my paint pens. This is where I keep all my finished artworks. So I just got this new Xbox One controller, and I wanted to know if you guys want me to customize it. Let me know in the comments if you do. Thank you guys for watching this premiere or video or whatever time you saw it. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.